Adisa siya meki molsem pasi maus lumi olsem member blo manus. Olsem lo this morning igat one ba issue way emi brugim lewa blo mina I give me big lo penlikli. Time number one time asylum seeker si kam lo manus. Gavna blo mi man sabe tok plan di lo me. Plan di halbi mi kam mi pla manus no lugim desla. Mi pla simbig la name lo manus em rubbish place.
Kami salim taxi guard long Australia High Commission lo find out long what's happening up there. In fact, Deputy Prime Minister may have sent a text already.
Honorable members, 7th year old kada, bin sit down lo desla siab lo yumia. Adisa siya meki molsem pasi maus lo mi olsem member blo manus. We make an ask him the floor, or me debate on behalf of people of Milo District Lamanus. Or similar this morning, he got one ba issue way emi brugim lewa no mina I give me big la penlikli. And me like ask him this la ask him. Bagolo Honorable Prime Minister. Ask it all me come back to long manus. And online lo hap only walk along Lombrum Naval Base. All walk one time this la company. Me no sabe how will pronounce him. Clow or cow or name. Clark. This la company. Now this a company will scale down the walk along in the Lombrum. Now all the leftover materials where you good plan where you mean abuse him. Lo help him, I am only walk along, smash him, na dig him, pull a hole, na karmat him. Want them all machineries, all power tools, all this law. So he making me worry na meeting ding dog. Time number one time asylum seeker si kam lo manus. Gavna blo mi man sabe tok plan di lo me. Plan di halbi mi kam mi pla manus no lugim desla. Mi plak simbig la name lo manus em rubbish place. Online stable lo sali lo social media na place ground ni look sabe usa. Big la muni blo walk house kam mi putim. Kapman blo mi wana Australia putim lo angkaw house. Mi pla manus sino big la liglik to. So now again this is something I'm now na meeting also. I think government blo mi one time government blo Australia passing this la talk. Lo make him also na la mi pla manus stable se. Lo ngone mo lagi mo this material. Ikam no government lo manus na mi pla can help him. Some lo project lo all schools, high schools, housing or when also. Prime Minister just over lo across lo upside lo Lombrum Naval Base look upside and public land. Secondary high school. All dormitories lo all boys and girls run down. Ami go last time na DDA mi pla mas pain him some lamani lo try him long rehabilitate him during this holiday period. Na supposed to this material. All can give me can help him rehabilitate him also. Also na ask him lo me am go you also Prime Minister. Mix him bel pen through ya na. I pen I make me also. Me worry I think to stop also me maski lare mol stop. All manus laring ground wall go walk long place ground. America, Australia this la. Da solo help him mo larem all bal stop also. Thank you Prime Minister.
Here, the PNG Parliament Speaker. Job Pomat hijacks the 2025 budget debate to talk about the Australian government's contractor littering Manus after the Lombrum Army Base demobilisation program. What is he actually talking about? The Manus Island Lombrum Marine Infrastructure Project aims to enhance the capabilities of the PNG Defence Force by refurbishing and rebuilding the Lombrum Naval Base. This project is a joint effort between the Australian and PNG governments with Clough as the main contractor. However, concerns have been raised about Clough's demobilisation program. Take a look at these images. Australian taxpayers' money buried under the golden sandy beaches of Manus Island. Locals are upset that valuable materials, both used and brand new, were destroyed and buried instead of being donated to schools, health centres and NGOs. This has led to suspicions about the project's transparency, especially given the silence from both the contractor, the Army Command at Lombrum, and the Australian government through the Australian High Commission in Port Moresby. Adding to the controversy, PNG Parliament Speaker Job Pomat, also the MP for Manus, expressed his disappointment during the parliamentary budget debate. He questioned why millions of dollars worth of equipment and materials were discarded instead of being used to benefit the deprived people of Manus Province. The lack of clear answers from the Australian government and the Australian High Commission has only fueled the suspicions and frustrations of the local community. Many are calling for transparency and accountability, urging the authorities to explain why these resources were not utilised to support local development initiatives. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you think the materials could have been better utilised? Here is the Prime Minister, James Marape's response. As you analyse the PM's response, pay attention to how quickly the PM and the PNG Deputy Prime Minister, John Rosso, alluded to texting the Australian High Commission in Port Moresby on this matter. Is there something to hide?
Contractor demobilization on leftover materials, suppose you can preserve him for the use of the leftovers in Manus, and you can preserve him. But Mr. Speaker, I may like give him the belly to you. Manus, longer leftovers. Manus must receive its fair share of allocations. This year, when a budget law Manus will come, I think the special support in the education law Manus where you focus longer. The government looks out on focus bill of education sector of Manus, and we will give you the support you deserve. Part support has come already. The balance of the support will come to restore Manus. Manus in the earlier days was a human resource capital of our country. There's all supply, all teacher, all supply doctor, supply public servants, supply mission. Yeah, key up we go out of the country, so we do acknowledge the special role. Mr. Speaker, we like also talk about some work long. The Asylum Seeker Center, you will like convert them into college. Long Yimi and Tablo Manus, and the conversation that issues tap around on the ground, so you may tie him this blah you can look also long, fix him. And so thinking blue long all contract the demobilization now at me sit down finish was blah talk whilst you make him talk long opposition reply long budget but me selling taxi go out long Australia High Commission will find out long what's happening up there. In fact, Deputy Prime Minister may have sent a text already as I'm responding to your question. So I want to give you full assurance that we'll find out what needs to be salvaged and preserved. But more importantly, Manus is entitled to its own fair share of support, and we render that support. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Prime Minister.